Hello everybody, we're going to be solving the 11th problem of Project Euler, which is to find the largest product in a 20 by 20 grid. So first we should input the data into a file which our program will read from. Then we can start coding up the code which will find the solution, which will just be a list containing all the possible positions. So when we finish with all of the directions, we will create a function to find a value at a position, and we'll make sure the position is valid. So we'll open the file which we pasted all the data in. Then we'll loop through all of them, find a number, position, and if it's out of bounds then we should just return 0. And then we'll iterate through each position. And then we'll loop through every direction. Oops, wrong thing. Then we should copy and paste this. And if it is a new best score, then we'll set the variable to the new best score. Then if we run it, and that's our answer, which, as we can see, correct.